Ancient ramen and wooden underedge for a party. The UK's most haunted house. I'm just going to show you the oldest part of the house, which is the barn. And let's go up. This is a grave. So this is a 1,000-year-old building, and there were bones found here with daggers and a mummified cat, which I'll show you in a minute. Old Roman coins, and there's been loads of haunted, lots of ghostly things here. Lots of people come here for seances and psychics. This is Abigail's room. She was a witch, apparently. She was forced to have an abortion. So, yeah, 1,000 years built on a probably pagan burial ground, and now used for a lot of seances, ghost sightings and so on. So it's always booked up. Tonight is a party. This is a child's room. Really cute old clock. Headless mannequin. Some sort of weird child's room, I don't know. There's a lot of witch markings here to protect people from witches, because the people were so superstitious in those days. A lot of newspaper cutouts. This is very old. Now, this is my least favourite part of the place, is the bishop's room. I don't like it. I always get a really bad feeling in here. It's just horrible. I just don't like it at all. It's just very sort of, I feel a bit angry and depressed in this room. The bishop had, there might be an underground sort of connection here to the church, because clerics and important members of either religious men or kings had to go via underground to the church on Sundays, just to be protected from highwaymen and robbers and so on. And I'm gonna go up to, there's a highwayman. I don't really like to go here on my own. It's just not very nice. I really don't like this. I'm not gonna do it because there's just things move around. I don't like it. But I shall. Okay. Try and go and look at the mummified cat. Generally, usually, this is my 5th time here. I wouldn't come here on my own at night, but it's a party. I feel a bit braver. Once, the first time I came here, I was wearing a cross and it literally ripped off my neck by itself and fell on the ground. I don't know why. Let's go this way.
60 layers.
DJ? Okay, now there's some bones here the owners found. They're probably animal bones, but yeah, pretty weird. They also found some daggers with the bones, but those daggers were stolen. Actually, they found this box full of old pipes. Awesome. And there's a secret room here they found. So yeah, and there probably is a cellar and an underground cellar that they still need to find. It's 1,000 years old. There's going to be a lot of archaeological stuff going on here. But tonight, hopefully, we can